Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Guys, today I've got some really amazing news for you. So if you're someone who is trying to code, you're a beginner in coding, you're learning to code, I've got something that will give you some motivation to keep on moving. So guys, the good news that I want to share with you is that I've found this app whereby you can be able to learn how to code and you get paid. How cool can that be? So guys, if you're interested in knowing what the website is or the app, please make sure that you keep on watching and let's get right to it. So guys, before we begin, let me just make it clear that the app does pay everyone around the world, unless you are from the excluded countries. So guys, go onto your Google account and type in app.stackup.dev. So you'll be taken up to this website. So if you already have an account, you can log in, but if you don't, you sign up. So I'll just sign up. So as you can see, it prompts you for an access code or a referral code. So I'm just going to input mine, which I'll give you. So that's it. And then it will request for you to create an account. So I'll just create mine. Then I'll just put in the password. Then I'll go. So I'll put in a nickname. Then I'll also have to put in my phone number. So you can see here's a list of their countries. Here's a list of their countries, of their available countries. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay. So I've found my country, so I'm just going to put in my number. Then I'll request for an OTP. So I've been sent for my OTP, so I'm just going to verify. Okay. So I'll put in my nationality, my environment, and I'll leave this one out. Then I sign up. So you're also expected to join Discord. So guys, as you can see, this is my dashboard. Yeah. So you can see here they require that you give some feedback. Let's see. Let's go around. So guys, I'll be linking my referral code down below, so make sure that you click on that while registering. So as you can see, my current balance is 0. My withdrawal balance is also 0 since I'm a new account. So in order for you to be paid, you have to participate in some campaigns, and so these campaigns actually involve learning some development stuff, some coding stuff. So as you can see, here are some of the campaigns. So you can see that the reward pool is $2,800. So let's just view, see what's going on. As you can see, the coding is in Rust. So you can see that this campaign started on the 31st of March and will be going till the 13th of April. And you see, it takes into account the use of Rust for web development, and it helps learners through a tutorial for deploying a Rust WebAssembly program to a local server. So there's a note here. They say that you should attempt the previous campaigns before trying this one, especially if you don't have experience in Rust. So you can see here some of the learning outcomes. So you should be able to use Rust for web development. You should also know what web development frameworks are available for Rust and how to compile Rust to assembly language. And you should also know how to run your first Rust plus WebAssembly program on local list. So you can see learn Rust for web development. So there's a $4 reward, and there are 209 players who have joined. As you can see, I've not joined, and you can see there's 10 days left. That's the first one. And the second one, there's a Hello World with Rust. So it's an upcoming challenge. So you can see it will run from 3rd April to 14th April. So let's go on to quests. So you can see that for the quest, there are upcoming quests as well as those that are available. Let me just scroll down a bit. You can see, you can also see that there are some quests that have expired. So let me just go back. Oh, you can also see there's this project right here where they collaborated with Free Code Camp for data analysis challenge, and you can see that there was a $10 reward. And on my right here, you can see there's a tab for most popular and also the highest reward. Oh, there's also quests for blockchain and Ethereum fundamentals. So this is really good. This is really good. You also see that between December and January, one could refer and you could earn. Okay, so let's see. So you can see it's something that began on 10th November. So it's something that's been around for quite some time. Yeah. So guys, let's go to my quest. See, as you can see, I have 0 quests, so I have 0 rewards. Let's go to the learn section. As you can see in the learn section, there are courses, so you can find the introduction to Python. There's an introduction to Go. There's also Shopee Code League. Yeah, so in this one they say that they cover the basics of Go, Python, and dynamic programming. We also have some courses that will be coming soon, and that's introduction to Rust as well as introduction to Solidity. So let's take a look at the introduction to Python. So you can see there's a definition of Python. You can see this Python 1 basics. You can learn the terminologies and syntax of Python. Yeah. So the basics part, you basically learn the basic types. So let's go to the basics part 2. So see, you get an intro to lists. Okay, so you go to list manipulation, there's loop control, there's tuples, dictionaries. Okay guys, how do you pronounce tuples? Hope I'm saying that correct. And then there's basics 3, where you get to learn on object-oriented programming. So I think it's a nice course. Yeah. So if you're new to programming, I think I would recommend that you try it out. I know that a couple of you may have questions on whether it's legit, so to be able to answer your questions, we'll go to the help section. So here is how the quest and campaign does work. Here is how the participation does work. So you click into a quest page, you may click the join request button to participate, and you may join us. You may join any quest as long as it's after the start date and before the end date. So here are some of the reasons you cannot register for a quest. First, the quest may have not started, or the quest is repeated and probably you've been rewarded. Also, the quest may have a prerequisite that you may have not completed. So for campaigns, they say that you don't need to register, so you simply head over to quest and you get your hands dirty. That sounds cool. Here's how the quest submissions and reviews work. So you must make sure that you submit your quest before the end date, and it must fulfill all the criteria. Also, resubmissions are not allowed. So if you miss the deadline, you can see that they do not accept late submissions. Also, if you submitted the wrong folder, you see that they do not allow for resubmissions. So you have to be careful at the get-go. Or you can email their customer support or open a ticket on Discord. So if you made your submission, you see that the submission will begin only after the deadline has passed. And the way you'll know when you've gotten your reward, you'll check in the My Requests tab. Okay. So finally guys, the part that you've been waiting for. So how do you claim your reward? You can see that your rewards are automatically credited into your rewards balance in the profile tab. And here's Stackup's payment policy. So they say that you must be willing to accept rewards by at least one of the 2 payments methods. Also, there's a minimum withdrawal of 10 USD, and you can only withdraw your entire balance at one time, so no leaving anything. Also, there's a withdrawal fee to cover transfer costs. So between $10 to $25, you are charged a 10% fee. Anywhere between $25 to $50, you are charged a 5% fee. and more than $50 there's a 2% fee. So the higher you earn, the much less you'll have to pay in your transaction fee. So the part where you want to know how you'll withdraw your rewards, so you can the first way that you can withdraw your reward is through bank transfer. Also, Stackup does use Wise, so that's where you'll be able to receive the reward in your local currency directly in your bank. Also, you can receive using a stable coin on the Solana network. So there are also some countries that may not be supported by each payment method. So with a bank Wise transfer or bank transfer, you provide Stackup with your bank details. Okay, so that's where you will be able to receive money in your local currency. So there are some countries that are not supported by Wise, and you can see there's South Africa, Bangladesh, Brazil, Chile, Cyprus, Israel, Pakistan, Nigeria, Togo, Tanzania, Uganda, and Arab Emirates. So those are not supported by Wise. Okay. So if you're not supported by Wise, you either have to withdraw via USDC on Solana. So that may also not be available in some of those regions. So to withdraw via Solana, you provide your wallet address. So those are the requirements. Yeah. So in case your country is not supported by the payments providers, you'll have to be comfortable with using the Solana network. So you may not be able to withdraw your balance if you've not linked any payment methods on Stackup, and if your reward balance is below $10. So yeah. They had a promotion between January and February whereby they had no transaction fee. Yes, guys. So good people, that's it for Stackup. Please make sure that you use my referral code. Yeah, if you wanna get to learn Python or Rust or Go, make sure that I'll attach the link down below, and then you'll use my referral code. Okay guys, bye bye, and hope you have a great time ahead while coding.